we're going to build crypto fact checker. Currently the price of Bitcoin is over $100,000, so the whole market will soon be flooded with all new people that don't understand the crypto market. Before we start, I want to introduce you to a new Skool community from Skool Automation, where you can find all the templates we have built and download them directly. For just $25 a month, you will get full-time support from the best n8n builders. So let's dive into the workflow. This is a crypto fact check workflow. What are we going to do is we will check of this coin, Hive Intelligence. This is the CoinGecko page, their claim. So let's take a print screen of their claim and save it as a PNG file. Let's go to the workflow, test the workflow. Let's enter the ticker of the coin and submit it to the workflow. Form is submitted. Let's go back and let's see what the workflow will do. So first of all, the image will be analyzed by the OpenAI analyzer. We're using 4.0 latest. Then the claim will be pulled from the tweet by the claim agent. After that, the claim agent, we have to fix something. Open settings, no session. Let's do the same session ID as this one. We gave them a little bit of memory, so save it and let's continue. The fact check agent will do a fact check on the coin and their claim. Before it runs to the fact check agent, we are pulling from the coin market cap API. That's over here. We're pulling the coin data. As you can see over here, this is the whole setup. And of course, we are using the new Cloud Sonnet 4.0 with the thinking tool. As you can see, this is the thinking part of the node, and the fact check agent is giving a really cool JSON output. After the fact check is done, we are going to generate an image prompt, and eventually we are going to generate a tweet. But before we can do that, we will need to enter the input for the tweet. So like this. For this node we're using 4.1 and this is the tweet. The ticker is in it: avoid scam, crypto fact check, do your own research. And over here again the ticker of the coin. Then we are going to pull up the image prompt to generate an image. This is the image generation, and we're going to do the step. Save it. The image generation could take a while, so let's go back and see how the coin is performing. Okay, this is a really good coin, Hive Intelligence. So when the image is generated, we are going to upload the image to the Twitter API. So we will get media ID, and that is what we are going to need for the eventually upload to Twitter. So this is done. Okay, let's upload the image. Currently there isn't a node where you can just upload a tweet and your image with the same. So let's see what the error is. Maybe it's the file, it's too big. Okay, it's done. Nice. Then we will enter the media ID over here, and we will have to pull the tweet. So let's close that one down and enter this. We will have to check if this will succeed. Okay, then we will go to our profile and let's see if the tweet is posted. Nice. So this is the image that we generated and the whole tweet. So if you are running a crypto community or just a crypto enthusiast but want to be safe and don't have a lot of knowledge about technology, finance or any other research, this is a really simple workflow that could help you out and generate some audience as well. If you enjoy these little templates, check out the Skool community. The link will be in the description of this video. Subscribe, like and share.